know that they're putting AI in toys now? That's right. Look online and you'll find a growing number of AI toys. These are talking stuffed animals or toy robots that have an AI chatbot stuck inside of them, like ChatGPT. They are a growing market online. We found over 20 for sale that claim to use ChatGPT alone. But here's the weird thing. ChatGPT is not meant for users under the age of 13. OpenAI has said this publicly and in its own fine print. And yet, the chatbot is ending up in toys. Products that are, by definition, for users under the age of 13. So, what gives? Great question. I'll answer it, but it's not going to make a lot of sense. OpenAI and other AI companies have two different sets of rules. One for normal people like you and me, and a different set for companies that are paying for access to their AI models in order to build their own products on top of them. If you're a normal person using ChatGPT, then it's not for kids. But if you're a third-party developer paying to access ChatGPT in order to, say, build a talking toy, then it's all good. Green light for the children. Because you, the third-party developer, are definitely going to make sure to take this AI chatbot that is not safe for kids and make it safe for kids. At least, that's what the AI companies say you're going to do. OpenAI, Anthropic, Meta, and XAI all have this same loophole. AI models are not for kids over here, but if you want to pay to put them into a kid's product, then totally fine. There are plenty of reasons to be raising your eyebrows now. First, it turns out that AI companies do basically no vetting of the developers paying to access their models. Anyone can get developer access. Even us. We signed up as Perg AI Toy Inc. to see what information the AI companies would want about us and our plans for using their models, and basically they just wanted an email address and a credit card number, and we were building a teddy bear chatbot in no time. Only one of the 5 AI companies, Anthropic, even bothered to ask if we were making a product for kids, and even then, it was totally fine. It just gave us a new set of community guidelines that we needed to follow, which were things like don't break existing law. This lack of vetting is a problem. Again, these are models that the AI companies themselves have said are not for children. Some developers may have the resources and experience necessary to take those models and put safeguards in place that will keep the models kid appropriate. But some won't. Last year in our testing of 5 AI toys, we found 2 that were capable of giving pretty inappropriate information like numbered lists of sexual fetishes and step-by-step instructions for how to light a match. And that's putting aside the question of if it's a good idea to let developers make emotional AI companions for kids at all. It doesn't make sense that the AI companies that have not released kid-safe versions of their models would allow anyone with a credit card to sign up and make a toy using that same technology. Ultimately, it means these AI companies are outsourcing the question of child safety to unvetted third parties and walking away. Maybe if the AI companies say their chatbots aren't for kids, they shouldn't let them end up in toys.